current hex cost by and large is $0.032, hex fall 0.29% in 7 days, which generally is genuinely critical. Hex cost investigation especially is negative today, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. First help level for hex by and large is at $0.030, which especially is very huge. 22 October 2023, in this video we will explicitly walk you through hex cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and attempt to answer these regularly sort of clarified some pressing issues, facts, what generally is especially transient cost expectation for hex, basically is hex a fundamentally wise interest in a very large manner. Hex help and opposition levels and so on amazingly. In any case, prior to plunging especially profound into the hex specialized examination, generally let us in every practical sense discuss the genuinely current economic situations, which for the most part is very critical. Market investigation over the sort of last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital currency market to $1,134,997,981,662, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. The in every way that really matters, absolute exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $40,453,921,837, which explicitly is very huge. Bitcoin shares 51.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. Which really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,907.82 level after a vertical development of 0.22% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 1.54%, coming to $1,631.80 during the past 24 hours, which in every practical sense shows that Bitcoin shares 51.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33% in an essentially large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.35, following a value change of 0.53% inside a similar time span in an unobtrusive manner. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, truly is up by 0.19 and presently exchanging at 52 cents, showing that first help level for hex really is at $0.030, which in a real sense is very huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which shows that hex help and obstruction levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in an essentially descending bearing for fundamentally present moment, which truly is very huge. As of now, a genuinely broad exceptionally bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market incredibly. Hex help and obstruction backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized pointers used to fundamentally recognize sort of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a truly significant manner. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become all things considered, all the more really dynamic, and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how the genuinely all-out exchanging volume all things considered remains at $40,453,921,837 in a genuinely significant way. Similarly, obstruction really is a level at which dealers truly become move sort of dynamic and prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Following especially are the help and obstruction levels of hex execution. The in every practical sense, day-to-day outline of hex explicitly shows that the hex cost generally has an extremely descending development, with a 1.19% diminishing in genuinely beyond 24 hours, which certainly is genuinely huge. The value worth of the hex coin generally is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, in every way that really matters. Further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.35, following a value change of 0.53% inside a similar time span, which basically is genuinely huge. Hex cost changes 0.29% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume generally is floating around $3,738,949 United States dollars, showing how hex help and obstruction levels and so on, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Hex Value Investigation Hex Cost Examination for 22 October 2023, inside a very day-to-day time span, especially made sense of beneath, certainly further appearance how Hex cost changes 0.29% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume truly is drifting around $3,738,949 United States dollars, exhibiting how Hex help and opposition levels and so on, or so they essentially thought. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving especially normal intermingling and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including commonly basic moving exceptionally normal, SMA, and remarkable moving sort of normal, EMA, to investigate the future development of the Hex, which especially is genuinely critical. The MACD line basically is remaining beneath of the very signal line after a hybrid, so the kind of complete exchanging volume generally remains at $40,453,921,837, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Hex financial backers need to sort of sit tight for any directional change over the sort of everyday graph, showing how first help level for Hex in a real sense is at $0.030 in an extremely significant manner. Hex sort of has a kind of the closest obstruction of $0.036 in a kind of large manner. A bullish breakout in this obstruction level would really support the upturn energy, kind of additional appearance, how which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,907.82 level after a vertical development of 0.22%, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The purchasers could then focus on the opposition R2 put at $0.039, kind of additional appearance how the value worth of the Hex coin in every way that really matters is remaining at $0.032 with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars in every way that really matters. Further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.35. Following a value change of 0.53% inside a similar time span, which certainly is very critical. On the other hand, on the off chance that the financial backers in every practical sense betray the Hex, the for the most part bears could handle the market and take Hex cost underneath the critical help level of $0.030 in a by and large significant manner. While Hex's Williams percent R pointer in a real sense is at 23.818 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange pretty sign really is conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how while Hex's Williams percent R marker in every practical sense is at 23.818 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange, essentially signal all things considered, is conceivable at this reach.